Hey guys, Finn here, and do you know what's important in our warming world? Fans. Not those screaming fangirls, no. I'm talking about cooling fans. And today, I've got something special for you. The good folks over at Venty sent us their portable fan. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. This handy little piece of tech is only $69.99, down from its original price of $99.99. So let's get this unboxed and talk about the pros and cons. Inside the box,
I saw you with the box. What was in the box?
there is the carrying case. Inside the carrying case, fan, carrying strap, and a USB-C cable. A recyclable plastic sleeve, much appreciated. USB-C cable, wrapped in a nice little black rubber band. The strap, little card from the folks there at Venty, and a user's manual. Don't need either one of those things, so there isn't a whole lot of garbage here. Just two little pieces of plastic and a rubber band. Get rid of them. Let's go ahead and open it up. On the pro side, battery life is insane. It's super portable, it can charge your other devices, surprisingly powerful for its size, comes with an awesome water-resistant case, adjustable, diffused lighting, a remote, and it oscillates. The cons, it can take 9 hours to charge. It cannot run on a little battery backup, and the remote takes a disposable battery. So it's not perfect, but it's pretty darn close. First of all, this little guy has some serious power. The 16,000 milliamp hour battery can keep this thing running for up to 48 hours on a single charge. And not only is it a fan, but it doubles as a battery bank, so you can keep your other devices charged on the go. Speaking of on the go, this fan is incredibly portable. It packs down to just 3.5 inches and extends up to 3.5 feet, making it easy to transport. The best part? It's airplane safe, so you can take this guy with you on your travels and stay cool no matter where you go. This fan has 4 speed settings and is very quiet, so you can use it without disturbing others. The remote control has a range of 30 feet so that you can adjust it from a distance, and with 120 degrees of oscillation, you can kick air around the room and keep everybody comfortable. Are you afraid of the dark? This fan is equipped with a diffused ambiance glow, which provides a gentle light with 3 brightness settings. This makes it perfect for the bedroom or anywhere you want to create that relaxing atmosphere. Overall, Venty has created a fan that is versatile, feature-packed, and perfect for anyone who wants to stay cool on the go. So if you're a camper, van lifer, brown or blackout sufferer, prepper, sweaty gamer, or just someone who needs access to ventilation without a power source, this fan is definitely worth considering. And with a 30-day return policy, you can try it out for yourself. So head on over to ventyfan.com and grab one while they're still on sale for $69.99. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smack that bell for more gaming, gadgets, and good ideas. Thanks for watching. Cut.